Hi, my name is Matt Pierce. I'm a software engineer, and today I'm going to show you how to use the FN or function key on a Toshiba laptop. Now the FN key is located usually down between your control key and your Windows key, or perhaps your control and your alt key, and it's got a silk screened FN on it and that stands for function. And what it does is it enables secondary functions on some of the keys in your laptop. Depending upon what type of laptop, what model you have, there are different functions it can enable. So for this laptop here, I've got some brightness keys, I've got the Wi-Fi key, I can enable and disable the mouse pad, and there's other things. And to be able to use them, you just press the FN key down and then select the key feature that you want to use. Now bear in mind that with Windows 7 some of these features won't work. There's a utility called a zooming utility that Toshiba has that for some reason on this laptop doesn't work with Windows 7. So you might not get all the features on your laptop to work, but things like your display brightness and your Wi-Fi enable and things like that, those will work just by holding down the FN key and pressing the associated function key. My name is Matt Pierce. Today we talked about how to use the FN key on a Toshiba laptop. Thanks for watching.